Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for Bitcoin versus the price of the US dollar. The date is March 22nd, 2020. It is 11:57 a.m. If you want to stay up to date with all of our Bitcoin and other currency videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so Bitcoin's still moving in a price wedge between $5,000 and $9,000. So my sentiment is mixed. We've got signs of both bullish behavior and we've got some bearish signals. So let's talk about that. If we go back and just look at this kind of long sloping trend angle, even if let's go ahead and pull this angle here, we see price really moving above at this line slowly over time over the last couple of years. Right, we have this support here at 4,000. Price just recently rebounded off there, and then last week we saw a bullish candle. Price closing above this $6,000 mark. This candle should close out actually tonight at about 4 p.m. I think Eastern, or is it 6 p.m. Eastern? And so as long as price stays up here, that is bullish. So I'm bullish as long as price really stays above this $5,000 mark. If we see price move down into closer to 3,800, then I'll flip to bearish. So we see price, right? There's this descending triangle since the peak in 2018. Every time price has tested it, it moves away. Then we find price kind of slamming into support, making the price wedge. Let's go ahead and use our trend tools to draw a wedge. So basically you just draw a triangle, click here, down here, boom. And we see that's exactly what price is doing. Price is just, we see here, besides these couple of extreme candles, that price has honored this wedge all the way back to late 17, early 2018. Price kept trying to go through it in the summer of 19, moved away, and it's definitely honoring that. So we'll definitely see price probably topping out about 9,000 with any near-term bullish moves. So let's say this week that price goes up, we should see a cap about 9,000 before we hit the upper side of the triangle. Let's go ahead and look at our daily. We see price is moving below the fast daily moving average, so looks like more sell-off ahead, which wouldn't be a real surprise with the US dollar really dominating all the currency markets. So there we go. We see mid-channel support and resistance at about $6,500. Price moving below that. But then here we see in the very, very short term, this is probably like the hourly chart, we see a little bit of an uptrend forming. So who knows what will happen? I'm not going to say I think what will happen. There's two scenarios. Either price will test this resistance here, about 6,800 again, we'll see a sell-off, or price will close above this 6,500 median trend line, meaning we could see more buying ahead. But what's really important, what really needs to happen is that we need these last lows to hold. If the last lows don't hold, then we'll see more declines all the way down to 2,500 and beyond. So that's what we're looking at this week. Let's go ahead and map out a parallel trend channel. So we take the overall trend, and then this trend channel tool gives us a mirrored angle. Oops. Gives us a pretty good idea where the bottom of the support and resistance is. So here we go. We can see this channel over time has been previously considered the bottom. Price did move back into that, so that is very good. That's kind of bullish. See, price historically, even though it's way down, has kind of moved back within this channel, which it just did. So I really want to see price go above 6,500. If I see that, then I'll think, great, maybe it's a buy again, but I'm not going to buy before that. And really, I want to wait and see what happens, make sure this 3,800 price holds, right? So, all right, everyone, stay safe out there. I hope you have a very profitable week, and we will talk soon.